Welcome to this introductory video guide on how to use the Online Historic Environment Record for Suffolk, also known as the HER. This is a great resource for general research and to explore your local heritage. However, any academic, professional or commercial projects, particularly those in the planning process, should request a full HER search via Suffolk County Council. This is the homepage of the Suffolk Heritage Explorer website. The online HER can be accessed via an interactive map or by a text search function, using these quick links on the homepage here or in the menu bar here. Click on Search on the menu bar. This brings up a simple keyword search which brings results from across the entire website. For example, if we search for prehistoric, the results show all the web pages with the keyword prehistoric. To perform an advanced search, hover over Search in the menu bar and select Advanced Search from the drop-down menu. The Advanced Record Search is a structured way of specifically searching the HER database, where specific features and find types can be searched in combination with time period and parish. You can build your query using the toolbar on the left. Site type refers to the archaeological sites known as monuments. Find type allows you to search for specific objects that have been found at the archaeological sites and linked to the monuments. Parish gives you a drop-down list of the current parishes within Suffolk. Time period can be used on its own if you just want to search a single period, or as the start date if you want to search over multiple periods. Time period end is used as the end date if you're searching over multiple periods. Time period overlap allows you to choose if you only want to see records that fall exclusively within the date range you have specified, or if you want to see all records that fall within the date range even if they overlap into the previous or following periods. You can sort your results by name, period, or reference. Reference refers to the parish code. This is useful in organising the results by parish if you are searching the entire county. Click Search and a list of records will display on the right-hand side. You can also view the results on a map by clicking on the Map tab. Let's explore a record in more detail. Clicking directly on the record will navigate away from the list and to the record. Use the back button in your browser to return back to the list. Or alternatively, right-click and open in a new tab or window to view the record separately. At the top is the record type, the HER number, and the title. There is a summary, the location data, and a view of the feature on the interactive map. If we scroll down, there is an index of the features identified on this site and the date. You can click on them to read the thesaurus term definition and see a list of all monuments that have this specific feature. Use the back button in the browser to return to the detailed record. On the record, there is also a full description which summarises the information from various sources that confirm the presence of these features. Sources and archives list the documents this information comes from. There is also a list of all the objects recorded on this site. Protected status tells us if the site is also designated. There may also be links to other related monuments and related events and activities. Now let's explore the interactive map. Click on Map in the menu bar. A map of Suffolk will appear on the screen. There are two toolbars. In the right-hand toolbar are the zoom controls, plus to zoom in and minus to zoom out. You can toggle full screen and click the cross to exit full screen. To move around the map, click and drag using the left mouse button. If using a mobile device, press and drag to move the map and pinch the map to zoom in or out. The arrows can take you to the previous and the next map extents. The left-hand toolbar has multiple tools to interrogate the map. You can search by location, such as place name or postcode, or by grid reference. The next button on the toolbar controls the map layers. You can turn them on and off by clicking on each of them. The blue tick signifies that the layer is turned on. Each layer will always show on the map in the order listed. So for instance, if you wish to view the registered parks and gardens more clearly, it may help to turn off the overlapping layers. The monument layer represents a site or area with archaeological or architectural features. You can see them spatially represented on the map in red. Events shown on the map in blue represent where an archaeological activity has taken place, such as a geophysical survey or excavation. Scheduled monuments shown on the map in pink are historic buildings or sites that are registered in the Schedule of Monuments and are protected under the 1979 Ancient Monuments and Archaeological Areas Act. Listed buildings shown on the map in brown are buildings of special architectural and historic interest and are protected by law. Registered parks and gardens shown on the map in green are protected areas of special historic interest. The next button in the toolbar controls the map base layers. There are 3 base layers to choose from: OpenStreetMap, Ordnance Survey Map, and Bing Aerial Map. There is a slider bar at the bottom which controls the transparency of the base maps. The next button in the toolbar is the Info button. If you click on a feature on the map, the Info panel displays a shortcut to the full records, and on the map your selection is highlighted in green. If you have more than one map layer switched on, the Info panel will show the records for all the map layers. Here, for example, there are 3 monuments and 1 registered park or garden. The next button in the map toolbar is the record list. This displays shortcuts to the detailed records of all features visible on the map on the screen. If more than one map layer is switched on, you can select which records to show from the drop-down. The final button in the left-hand toolbar are General Tools, where you can print, download, or share the map in its current view. To close the left-hand toolbar, click the cross, and to reopen it, click on one of the buttons. That concludes this introductory video guide. We hope you enjoy exploring the online Suffolk HER.